Hi guys, welcome to Gyro, and we're gonna do a battle of Rick Beyblades. So, today I'm gonna battle Rick Beyblade. So, Stone Capricorn versus Eldrago. You would know. You watch there now. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so let's do it. I hate this day. Okay. 104 Captain Capri. Okay, so 1-0, so round for round 3. Okay, so it's tie. I didn't see it because I'm watching my brother. So I think this is the winner. Or it's pretty much it. Forget that. You see that? Jump like this. When you launch Eldrago, like this. So he's doing like this, and just Eldrago, they spin, and they jump here at the side. Oh, forgot. They jump here, and see you guys next time. Bye. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe, thumbs up. Bye.